Have you ever thought of it that our actors, poor things, have to act both in real as well as real life? Actually, the two important requirements to be a successful actor is number one, to lie with a straight face, and number two is to think that the audience have their top dabbas khali. Come on, man, how can you not know that we, the audience, are better than those expensive lie detectors? We are even better than the sniffer police dogs. We can smell a lie even from a mile away. And for your information, the distance between the idiot box and the sofa is far less than that. Ever wondered why the television is called an idiot box? Because of the idiots inside and outside of it. Of course, we too are idiots to be wasting our precious time to listen to your sweet lies. And to tell you the truth, your acting skills are only limited to the big screen. Look at Anushka, Deepika and Priyanka overacting in these clips as though they had strict mothers at home like mine. Had it been true, just like me, they would have been sitting in their houses right now watching some other actor lie.
When did you last go on a date?
Like go out? What's a date? I've not gone on a... What is a date? Like what's that? Like, I mean, as in what defines, like, what do you mean? As in what? Like,
Who will tell her? One of you girls, please tell her what is.
Of course I know what a date is. What I'm trying to say is that, like a boy, girl, like you're going with some interest in each other?
For sure.
Like that? Oh, I haven't for a very long time.
Just completely stupid.
Also, I think it's to do more with Indian culture. I don't think
Yeah.
we've been brought up in a way to date. It's not in our culture to do that. It might be
I've
changing
never
now,
dated.
but that's
I
not.
feel I'm in conversation with two nuns without a habit. You all are behaving like, like these two, like, who've done nothing. These Western virgins have reached my couch.
Who says? But that doesn't mean dating as a concept just does not work for me.
You can go out and check out a situation with a leading man or a man who's exciting enough to be on a date with. I can't believe you two haven't. I think you're lying.
No, I mean,
I think you're
I've
right.
definitely never been on a date.
I always
This interview is so funny that I am sure even Deepu's and Priyanka's moms must have had a hearty laugh along with Karan darling. Anushka's mother must have congratulated herself for having given birth to such an innocent, sweet, dumb child who doesn't even know the meaning of dating. Well done, girls. By the way, my amma made sure that the only dates that existed in my life were the ones found in the calendar. Well, time surely showed us their true colors.
I wanted to be single for a while because I had come out of a couple of difficult relationships, and I was going through this phase where I said I just want to not be attached and not be committed, and I just want to have fun because this is the age too. And even if we were technically allowed to maybe see other people, so I would meet other people, but at the back of my head it was like, I'm going back.
Then we also have some celebrities letting the cat out of the bag in an attempt of sounding funny and entertaining.
करण जौहर की पार्टी में जब भी फराह खान जाती हैं, वो कभी भी पहले नहीं निकलती, यानी जब एग्जिट करना था, शी इज द लास्ट वन टू एग्जिट.
लास्ट, हाँ.
Why?
ये मैंने बहुत सीखा है. पहले मैं एग्जिट करती थी, और मुझे बाद में पता लगा कि जो पहले जाता है फिर बाकी लोग उसकी बिचिंग करते हैं. तो फिर मैंने बोला कि मैं एक बार एक्चुअली निकल गई थी, हम आउटडोर पे थे, और फिर मैं क्रीप करके पीछे बालकनी से आकर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे वर बिचिंग अबाउट.
क्या
मैंने करण को बोला मैं पहले नहीं निकलूंगी, जैसे मैं दरवाजे तक पहुंची तेरी चालू हो जाएगी.
Farah Didi just told us how Bollywood parties operate. So now we know that Bollywood actors, whom most of us treat like gods, are very much human. They can be both Tinku Auntie's daughter who pretends to be Sanskari and Tinku Auntie who bitches about one and all, including the bitch in our apartment who just gave birth to 9 puppies the other day. Auntie was like, why 9? 10 बनाती, पूरी फुटबॉल की टीम खड़ी कर देती. Poor Tinku Auntie, little does she know that the football team has 11 players, not 10.